Hi, welcome to Martin's Ridge Farm. My name's Rhys Martin, my wife Tina, my son Rhys. We have this gorgeous property at Conjola on the south coast of New South Wales on the gorgeous Shoalhaven region. We're really enthusiastic to have people come and visit it here at the farm. We've got on-farm accommodation, we offer classes, we offer the ultimate paddock to plate experience.
The things we love about the Shoalhaven are its natural beauty, the beautiful countryside down to the beaches, the lakes, the waterways, the shops, the beautiful food
Restaurants?
available, the restaurants, and also local produce and the enthusiastic farmers that create that produce.
Here at Martin's Ridge we run free-range pork and grass-fed beef. We produce a lot of our own products on site, charcuterie, sausage making. Anyone's welcome to come and visit.
If you come and attend our charcuterie course, you'll learn the production of sausages, prosciutto, salami, pancetta, bacon. We also have available for sale products that we've made ourselves, which include bresaola from our beef, lonza, cured loin, products you see in the supermarkets. But even better because they're produced here.
If you want to visit the gorgeous Shoalhaven region, you can buy our produce direct from the farm, from local restaurants, the Milton Farm Shop in Milton, and our local markets.